How to use the professional dashboard on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can simply use the professional dashboard on Instagram. Open up Instagram, and then after that click on the bottom right where you see your profile, and then from over here I want you guys to just simply go to professional tools. So what you guys can do is simply click on the professional dashboard from the top. After that, you guys will see all of your account stats. So over here you guys can see that I've been getting 160 impressions or maybe even 200 impressions every single day. So you guys can check all your impressions and all your accounts reached basically over the span of the last 30 days. So all in all, you guys can just simply see all of your insights and see if your account is growing or not, or if it is just stuck in some place. So again, come back over here, and now at the bottom you guys have the branded content tools. So from over here you guys can just simply add your brands that you are working with, and you guys can just simply add them on your profile to let the world know that you are working with these particular brands. And over here you have all the saved replies. Basically for all the things that you want to say again and again, you can just simply save them in a reply and you can just send it out again and again. Then you have the Instagram ads option, which you guys can use to run advertisements, because once you run advertisements, well, then your content can reach thousands and thousands of people. Then you can also keep track of branded content activity, and then of course you guys have additional resources such as managing comments, reporting spam and abuse, and also you can follow creators. So guys, this is how you guys can just basically keep track of everything. And the account insights option is by far my most favorite option, and I honestly really love this. So guys, you can also create posts from over here. You can also create a video and go live. You can also create a promotion as well if you want to do that. So guys, this is how you guys can use the professional dashboard on Instagram, and it is only going to take a few minutes. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.